Welcome to this detailed guide. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to make a video call using Skype on a mobile phone. Skype has long been one of the most reliable apps for making free video calls, and it only takes a few taps or clicks to connect with friends, family, or coworkers. Let's dive in. Unlock your phone and launch the Skype app. If you're not signed in, enter your Microsoft account details to log in. Once you're in the main screen, navigate to the person you want to video call. Tapping Chats and selecting a conversation. Tap on your friend's name to open the chat window with them. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see two icons, a phone icon for voice call, and a video camera icon for video call. Tap the video camera icon to start a video call. Skype will start ringing on their device. Once they accept the call, you'll see each other on video. You can mute, unmute your mic, switch between front and back cameras, turn off your video if needed, and you can change your background. To change your background, tap three-dot icon, then tap Change Background and you can select background that you want to apply. Then you can also share your screen or share picture. And you can also add members to join the video call. If you want to end the call, tap the red icon at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've now mastered how to make video calls on Skype in 2025. Whether it's catching up with family or joining a virtual meeting, Skype makes it easy to stay face-to-face from anywhere. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.